Behind every AI response is a hidden system, a quiet network that makes decisions, asks for help, and chooses the right path, all in a fraction of a second. But how does this invisible process actually work? Let's follow Sam on a journey that will make it crystal clear. So here comes a village called Smart Village, where everyone is expert at doing their job. Everyone is very happy and everyone comes together when any problem comes to solve. Now today Sam had a problem. Sam wants to host a big festival in this village. Now he passes this message in the village, and then someone suggests from the village, hey, why don't you, Sam, visit librarian? You go to the library. Sam goes to the library. There he finds a librarian. The librarian has a lot of knowledge. Now librarian reads the Sam's message carefully. She thought, Sam, you should go to the weather station guy, runner. You go to the runner. Then Sam goes to the runner, holding his scroll, holding his message. The weather station's responsibility is to check the weather. It's going to be the sunny or rain. Finally, Sam gets the answer from weather station. He rushes back with the news. There comes the gatekeeper. His job is to look at the weather report and deciding the next step. If it's rainy, they will have to postpone. If it's sunny, the festival is on. And finally, Sam brings this message to the mayor. Now the mayor announces the result to everyone in the village. Mayor has a final say. And then mayor announces it's going to be sunny and everyone is happy. Sam is also jumping because now he can plan the festival. So step by step, Sam and helpers in this village, right? They work together. The message passed from one to another and the problem was solved. What you just show, that's how LangGraph helps us build flows for the language models or to create agentic flows to solve a big problem. All the nodes come together. There were various nodes. The first node, which was having like LLM capabilities, which can call LLM model. That was the librarian, because librarian was trained on a lot of books. Same, the LLM is of course trained on a lot of data. So the LLM node helping Sam by looking at the message. You go to the weather station. Now weather station is a special node. It can use the various tools. That's what we call in LangGraph. There are nodes which are tools, which act as a tool. So weather station calls the weather API to fetch the weather report. The weather station passes the message to the gatekeeper. Now gatekeeper is again another node in LangGraph. That's what we call as conditional node. The conditional node responsibility is to make a decision. So conditional node will have the two edges, right, or the two path. Function can be there or function can be cancelled. So that's what the gatekeeper does. And finally the AND node, ultimately your LangGraph has start node and AND node. AND node that's where mayor comes. And mayor announces, yes, the function can be done. So mayor is the AND node. So that's how the LangGraph connects all these pieces or all these nodes together so a message can flow smoothly. What was the message? Message was Sam's was telling plan the festival. The message goes to librarian. Librarian adds further its own information that you should go to the weather station. That message goes to the next node and so on. So this is how the message flows through the various nodes, and all nodes are doing their own job which they are supposed to do. Do you want to code? Do you really want to make this story, or do you really want to codify this story? Then stay tuned for the next episode. Or if you want to give a try, why don't you make some diagram of LangGraph, how each node is working together to solve this problem of Sam. So stay tuned for the next episode. If you're listening on Spotify, stay tuned for the next episode where I'll cover another new topic. And yeah, I'm going to come back with the actual code in Python so that you can live this story with the Python. And then let me know in the comment if you have any complex topics which I can help you in a storytelling way. That's all for now. Thank you.